to Princess Beauty TV. I am back with another wig review, okay? And the wig that I'm going to be reviewing today, okay, is by Bobbi Boss, Miss Origins, in a Ocean Wave color 1B, okay? And this is a human hair blend half wig, so I will definitely be putting my headband on this to create the headband half wig look. Okay, so let's look at the cap construction on this unit here. Okay, we will look at it in just a minute after we check out these lovely ocean waves, honey. She is beautiful and bouncy. Okay, let's see here. Ugh. All right, the cap construction. 2 combs in the front, a comb in the back, and it has the adjustable straps on each side. Okay, so let me bring her in a little closer so you can check her out. Very beautiful and long. I already know this one. I already know I'm going to like it. I am, right off the bat. Okay, I am back and I love it. Okay, she is so long too. I am in love. Okay, let me come up close so y'all can see. All right. Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. I absolutely love, love, love. Okay, let's do the 360. Okay, this is, okay, side, the back, and the other side. Okay, back all to the front. Yes, this human blended hair can be curled up to 400 degrees. It has a very light, yucky texture to it. It sheds, it tangles, yes it do. It does all that, but nothing major. I think it's definitely worth the coins. It was only $18.95, I believe I paid for it. And she is definitely a winner. I love it. You can style her in different ways. Okay, top knot, up, wait, half up, half down. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. Half up, half down. That'd be really, really nice. Okay. Okay, well, that pretty much wraps it all the way up for this review. If you are new to my channel, please, please, please be sure to smash that subscribe button. Also be sure to share, like, and comment. Okay, I would love to know what y'all thoughts are on this gorgeous unit. Okay, let's chat, leave me some comments, and let's talk about this. Okay, so again, thank you all so much for watching Princess Beauty TV. I will be back with another wig review. Okay, you all have a very, very blessed day. Bye-bye.